Here we have unit 163E. This unit just came available. We have not cleaned it yet, or done some of the touch-ups we'll be doing. But this is the living room. There's the accent wall, and we'll have new blinds upon move-in. The carpet will be scrubbed with a rug scrubber. Come around to the kitchen. There is a dishwasher, gas stove. Then we come back to the bathroom. Nice tubs around. And then coming to look at the two bedrooms. Again, in the accent wall in this bedroom, all the windows will have new blinds, and you can see this bedroom has a very large, nice walk-in closet. And finishing with the smaller bedroom, still has its own closet, and that door to the right is the furnace. And we'll be cleaning the walls. And that is 163E. It's a 2-bedroom for $775 per month.